What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is Saturday morning. We ain't promoting races today. We ain't racing in races today. And we ain't RS and rewinding it today. We are headed to the Xfinity race at Darlington Raceway. It is NASCAR Throwback Weekend. Going to hang out with Tate Lyda, the owner of Alliance Driveway Solutions. He is sponsoring Jeremy Clements in the Xfinity race. Got the old school Robert Presley Alliance throwback. Hence, when we got the Alliance Jeremy Clements hat on, big supporter of the Star Superstock Tour Tate is. So we're going to go ahead, shoot over to Darlington. Ain't too bad, about 3 hours and 45 minutes from here in Jefferson, Georgia. Me and Fred going to have a time today. And really no responsibilities, just have fun. So, man, that is a breath of fresh air. So, let's go ahead and get started. Get a little bit of that 85 on 85. All right, it's time to do some boogieing. We're going to grab a gear and get going. A little bit of that 85 on 85. That Saturday morning traffic shouldn't be too bad. We're going to slide in where we fit in, get on over at Darlington Raceway. Chin just touching your chest for fun over there. Yeah. That sun blocking your eyes. You wouldn't sleep. I wasn't asleep. I heard everybody going on. Heard every Willie Nelson song. Let's get us some McDonald's once these cars come on. Side which lane? We're going to take the inside lane on the restart. This Anderson, South Carolina McDonald's, they got the coolest woman working in the morning. She give you a nice greeting. Y'all check this out. It's pretty cool. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Hi, will you be using your rewards today?
All right, we're about to ba-da-ba-ba-ba these chicken biscuits. We're going to get on over to Darlington Raceway. About 2.5 hours left. Hey, go grab your gear and get going. We have now made it into Darlington County. There's the Darlington Speedway water tower. We have made it to our exit. We ain't but about 10 miles away from the racetrack now. We get slid on in there. Look like the John Deere Gravedigger monster trucks going to the race today. Turn in here in that trailer park and it'll be right out here on the left. We have made it to NASCAR Throwback Weekend. Now we just find how we get in the infield. Got quite a few campers out here. People enjoying themselves, having a good time, making bad decisions. We came to get our credentials and we stepped over here to where they sell the merchandise at. Fred found an Alliance car right here. He's gonna give the Tate once we get in there. Here to tell you, them cup cars are loud. Look like Kyle Petty's Hot Wheels car over here. And then you turn to your right and Days of Thunder. Hey, I got to see the Goodyear blimp while I was here. Used to be a big fan when I was a kid. Finally good to see it. Tate's Robert Presley throwback car from the Busch Grand National Series. I believe it was 92. Cars Tour Pro Late Model driver Ashton Higgins is going to be driving it. They about to roll out now.
You got to remember this thing's only got 3 on each side.
Oh yeah.
dude, this thing is
I can't wait.
raw. It's raw.
Yeah, that'd be good enough. Look like some could race in the Star Tour. How cool was that, Fredo? At Darlington, all them cars you like.
That was more, what do you call it?
Nostalgia?
Exciting than what's in the pits to me.
Fred sound very excited for the Xfinity race.
That's what I grew up watching.
That type of stuff there.
What's in the pits, everybody else can have.
Oh, Camaro sound like she was flooded there a little
Well,
bit.
Getting up in the middle.
Change them jets.
Yeah.
That old banking was throwing him off, wasn't it?
Throwing all of them, even that Studebaker.
Yeah.
I figured if anything.
Uh-oh, she done quit on him over there.
I figured if anything was gonna crack and pop, it'd be them two old cars.
Yeah.
53 Oldsmobile and.
That old Ray Hendrick Camaro, that dog look like he could run Star Tour race at any
Yeah.
point. Go over there and look at it. No, the 11.
Oh yeah.
Had the IROC body type. Xfinity garage is cleared out. Getting ready for a 200-mile race.
How many laps was that?
Tate, man, this is the big day finally here at Darlington Speedway. What it looked like with your 59 Robert Presley car rolling around.
I still got goosebumps going up my arm. It's like going back in time. It's like being back here in '92. I tell you, this is going to be a good deal. We're ready to go win this thing.
Hey, Jeremy got a good car today. You give him a
Got a
pep
great
talk.
car. It's going to be poking the pig, though, because we don't know what we got. No practice, no qualifying. It's going to be fun. Let's get ready to get real.
Tell them about it, Tate. On the Alliance Driveway side, are you still looking for drivers?
All the time. We're recruiting every day. We're a great place to work. We're the highest paid driveway company out there. Come give us a try.
Tell what's the website they can find out more information at?
www.alliancedriveway.com. Go to your driver portal, click there, and fill out the information. We'll give you a call. We'll get in touch. I got goosebumps on my arms.
I watched it. It looked good. It sounded, he revved it up when he passed by. It was cool.
Look at Boo. He can't
What's
help.
up?
He can't help but film.
He got that video camera.
Jeremy,
Might
what do you
have-
think chances are today to put Tate in victory lane?
We're going to give it all we got. I love this track. Got some people that never even raced here started in front of me, so a little concerned about that, how they're going to, get through the first few laps, but we can get by them and get smooth sailing, we'll be fine.
You're on YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Hey, YouTube world.
Tate, what's they gonna feel like riding in the pace car? You gonna give him a tip?
I'm gonna give him a high five when we go by and pull in. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey, Robert Presley said we're gonna put 2 gum sticks on the dash. That's what he did both times he won. Guess what? We got 2 sticks of gum on the dash. Here we come, victory lane. I want to stand in the
Take a picture.
This is Ryan Delaney. He's the reason why we're involved in this mess. We're actually on a plane ride back home from Phoenix. And Ryan and I usually drink a beer or 2 going home from that far, and I didn't drink a drop. We talked the whole time, and got home. He said, you should probably think about getting on board. And I said, I don't know about that. Got to talking to Jeremy. Next thing you know, we're in 4 feet deep. Can't get out. We're good.
We're glad to have you. We're damn
All
glad to have
because of this guy. So for Amway,
my fault.
he's the top of the pyramid. Everybody else is falling below.
you. One big happy family.
That's right. That's what it is. One big happy family.
The car looked awesome. I was back there watching it go on.
This one. How you?
Well, national anthem's over with and prayer, and they told us get off pit road. So we obliged. Me and Fred gonna walk through the pedestrian tunnel and go up, find a seat, watch a race. Go ahead and get one of them fried bologna sandwiches, $7. Cold glass of tea. as you can see, the Goodyear blimp right there. That's gonna wrap this episode up, Kicking Asphalt, where me and Fred had a day off and we drove over to Darlington to hang out with Tate Lighter and the Alliance gang with Jeremy Clements. He had some early troubles and wasn't able to rebound. So we're gonna go ahead and get an early start on the way back to Georgia. So we'll be back in action this Wednesday at North Wilkesboro Speedway with the R&S Rewind team, ready to go again. Maybe get Deke in victory lane or Bobby in victory lane. Fred, you have a good time here? Yep. Nice day off, not to have nobody to hoot and holler at you and nothing like that.
Yep.
I had a few people come up with some pictures with you today.
Yeah, you did too.
Well, that's a given. I know it sounds big-headed, but that's a given. That man, there was some kids wanted pictures with you.
Yeah.
They like old Santa Claus with the white beard.
Yeah.
But other than that, we're going to get headed back. Oh, yeah, Star Tour shirts. Get you one. Other than that, we're going to get headed back. Big thank you to Tate Lighter and Alliance Driveway Solutions, the whole Jeremy Clements team that's very welcoming, and Ashton Higgins for letting us ride along in the tribute car. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.